The Mount Olive High School Marching Band's 2014 program is titled Birds of a Feather. Musical selections include Wild Things and Blackbird. The director of the Mount Olive High School Marching Band is John D'Agidio. Assistant band director is Darrell Hendricks. Instructors include Jacqueline Burkett, Jordan Heyman, Haley Orlando, Colin Murray, Christina Pirot, Thomas Silkowski, Garrett Vargo, and Eric Weinstein. Airgrams for the band include to Cassie Witt, from Mom, Dad, and Maddie, fly like a bird, we are so proud of you.
Woo!
To the most awesome drum majors from your bands, you two rock. To Ryan and Devin Callahan from Mom. To Ryan, enjoy your last year. Let the world hear you. To Devin, good luck your first year, but get a haircut. To Mike Calacerdo, from Mom, Dad, Grammy, Grandpa, Chris, and Nick. We are very proud of you. You are a hero. I think I had Chris in my CCD class. To Sue Haley from Grandma, it's your last year. Make the best of it. To Patrick and Matthew Paoli from your biggest fans, keep on rocking, boys. You guys sound awesome. We love you. To Rayanna Cope from Mom and Dad, keep up the great work. Have fun and play loud. We are proud of you. Love, Mom and Dad. To Jen, Sam, and Vinny from Matt. Those flags, wave those flags proud. Vinny, you are one cool tuba. You guys rock.
Just tell him you gotta come in. Come on.
Drum majors Bryce Barr and Cassie Witt. Is your band ready? Are the judges ready? Mount Olive High School, you may take the field in Class 3A competition.